Imagine this. A silent transformation is unfolding in the heart of South Asia. Not on the front page of newspapers, not on the screens of breaking news, but on the edge of the Bay of Bengal, China is building something powerful, something strategic, a port that could redraw the global trade map. It's not in Shanghai, not in Singapore. It's in a quiet corner of Bangladesh, Mongla Port. Once a humble, overlooked docking station, now with China's massive $400 million investment, it's rising like a modern maritime beast, equipped with AI, supercharged by IoT, protected by blockchain, and powered by green energy. This isn't just a port, it's a statement. A declaration that China's Belt and Road Initiative isn't just about railways and highways, it's about control over trade, influence, and power. And guess what? It's happening right next to India's doorstep. This is future structure, and you're about to uncover how one smart port is shaking the entire Indian Ocean region. Get ready, because what's happening at Mongla Port will not stay hidden much longer. Strategic location and geopolitical relevance, Mongla Port sits quietly in southwestern Bangladesh, right on the edge of the Indian Ocean. Its location is no accident, just a stone's throw from the Indian border. It stands as a gateway to the vast Bay of Bengal, a sea that connects South Asia to the world. This port isn't just Bangladesh's second largest. It's poised to become one of the most important maritime hubs in the region. China knows this. That's why they are pouring in a staggering $400 million, turning Mongla into a smart, high-tech gateway connecting China's factories to Europe, Africa, and beyond. This is a move with massive geopolitical weight. India, watching from next door, cannot ignore it, because whoever controls the Bay of Bengal controls the flow of billions of dollars in goods and shapes the future of trade in South Asia. Mongla Port isn't just a piece on the chessboard, it's a kingmaker. China's Belt and Road Initiative. It's not just infrastructure, it's a silent war for influence, trade supremacy, and global power. Port modernization projects in Capacity China isn't just building docks, they are building an empire. At Mongla Port, the changes are massive, transformational. 2 brand new docks, upgraded cargo handling systems, and cutting-edge operational tech, all designed to handle a staggering 350,000 containers every year. Think about that. Shipping costs will plummet, trade routes will open wider, and South Asia will rise as a global economic powerhouse. This isn't just a facelift, it's a total overhaul. Mongla Port will be able to compete, not just regionally, but on the world stage. It will attract ships and cargo from across the globe. And with these upgrades, businesses will move faster, costs will drop dramatically, and the future of trade in the Indian Ocean will be rewritten. The ripple effect? Bangladesh won't be the only winner. Neighboring countries, entire regions, will feel the impact of Mongla's rise. This port is becoming a heartbeat of global commerce. Smart port technology, IoT, AI, and automation. Mongla Port isn't just big, it's smart, a digital marvel in the making. China is flooding this port with the latest technologies. Imagine thousands of smart sensors silently working, communicating, monitoring everything all the time. Containers tagged with RFID chips, tracked instantly with precision. Cranes and forklifts equipped with sensors, predicting malfunctions before they happen, running like a flawless machine. Temperature, humidity, air quality, all monitored to protect delicate cargo, from fresh produce to sensitive electronics. And then there's AI, the brain behind the operation. It analyzes mountains of data, optimizes ship docking, slashes wait times, pushes port capacity to 350,000 containers per year. Autonomous vehicles zip through the docks, carrying containers faster than any human could. Security. AI-powered cameras watch every corner. Facial recognition, anomaly detection. No threat slips through. This isn't just a port, it's a high-tech fortress, an engine of efficiency, and a glimpse into the future of global logistics. Big data, blockchain, and cybersecurity behind the scenes. A massive flow of data surges through Mongla Port, terabytes, petabytes, numbers so huge they're almost invisible. This data is the port's lifeblood. Big data analytics dig deep, predicting ship arrivals, avoiding bottlenecks, optimizing every inch of the supply chain. This intelligence cuts operational costs by up to 15%, but data alone isn't enough. Enter blockchain, the unbreakable digital ledger. Every shipment, every transaction, recorded with ironclad security. No tampering, no delays. Processing times slashed by 50%. Trust and transparency built right in. And then, cyber threats loom. But Mongla's defenses are strong. Advanced encryption, AI-powered threat detection, keeping hackers and spies at bay. This combination of big data, blockchain, and cybersecurity is more than technology. It's the foundation of a new era in global trade, one where security, speed, and trust go hand in hand. Sustainability and green technology. Mongla Port isn't just smart, it's green. In a world drowning in pollution, this port is a breath of fresh air. Solar panels soak up the sun, powering operations with clean energy. Electric autonomous vehicles glide silently, replacing noisy, polluting diesel engines. Sensors track emissions in real time, ensuring every ship and machine stays within strict environmental limits. Carbon footprints shrink. Local air stays clean. This is more than compliance, it's a bold statement. A promise that economic growth can, and must, go hand in hand with sustainability. Mongla is leading the way, showing the world how to build a port that's both efficient and eco-friendly. Regional impact and economic benefits. Mongla Port's rise is a game changer, not just for Bangladesh, but for the entire South Asian region. It's opening doors for landlocked neighbors like Nepal and Bhutan, connecting them to global markets they once struggled to reach. Exports of textiles, agricultural products, and handicrafts, now flowing faster and cheaper than ever before. Jobs are booming, from dock workers to high-tech engineers. Incomes are rising, local communities are flourishing. The port's industrial zones are transforming Bangladesh into an economic powerhouse, and the benefits ripple outward, boosting trade and prosperity across countries from Sri Lanka to Pakistan. Mongla is more than infrastructure. It's a bridge to a brighter future for millions. Global collaboration and future outlook. Mongla Port isn't just a local story, it's a global one. Countries from Europe, the US, and Japan are lining up, eager to invest, supply technology, and join this booming network, a multinational web of partners sharing expertise, innovation, and profits. Education and training programs are shaping a new generation of skilled workers, ensuring the port's future is as bright as its present. But this is just the beginning. China's vision reaches far beyond Bangladesh. Each new project in the Belt and Road Initiative is a step toward reshaping global trade, fostering cooperation, and yes, sometimes sparking competition. The question remains, how will the world respond? Will countries embrace this new connected future or resist it? One thing is certain, Mongla Port is a symbol of change, a beacon of innovation, and a bold glimpse at the future of global infrastructure. Job creation and local uplift. This port isn't just steel and concrete, it's hope. Thousands of jobs and created overnight, from dock workers to crane operators, from logistics managers to security teams. Families that once struggled to survive now thrive. Local restaurants are full, shops booming, schools growing. It's not just about economic graphs, it's about real people, real change. When infrastructure meets opportunity, communities rise, and Mongla Port is lifting thousands, one job at a time. Global collaboration and investment. Mongla is no longer a quiet port. It's a magnet for the world's investors, Japan, China, India, even European countries. Everyone sees the value, the potential, the future. Tech giants are offering automation. Shipping firms are locking in partnerships. Global banks pouring in funding. This isn't just a Bangladeshi project anymore. It's a global handshake where ideas, money, and people move together. Education and sustainability. But what about tomorrow? What happens when the cranes stop moving? If the workforce isn't ready, that's where education steps in. Training centers, teaching youth the skills of the future, port management, marine logistics, green energy systems. This isn't just about growth, it's about sustainable growth. Solar grids, electric transport, low carbon planning. Mongla is being built to last, built to lead. It's not just Bangladesh catching up with the world, it's leapfrogging into the future. Conclusion and future question. So now you've seen it all. A quiet riverbank transformed into a global gateway. Jobs created, trade unlocked, global powers watching closely. But here's the question no one's asking. Is this just the beginning? Will Mongla be a model for other nations? Or a battleground for geopolitical tug-of-war? One thing is clear. The future is being built, one port at a time, and future structure will be right here to show you what comes next.